Our first listing of 2025 has hit the market in the overlook at Suwanee Station. If you're looking in Suwanee, one of the best suburbs in America, you gotta take a look at this home. Beautiful townhouse, perfectly located, right near everything in Suwanee, right around the corner from the Suwanee Town Center, walking distance to the fresh market. Everything is right here. This could be your house. Take a look at the home. We're gonna do a tour. On the back of this, we'll talk about all the details, address, where you can get more information about the home. But right now, let's go inside. There's our tour of 3786 Alstead Manor Way in Suwanee. Gorgeous house, just over 2,000 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. The location is fantastic. You saw on the video, the house is so well maintained. It's just a gorgeous house. It's like new. We're excited to provide this listing to y'all to take a look at. If you're looking to get into the area, you gotta run quick because I don't know how long this one's gonna last, because typically homes that look like this in Suwanee, a price like this in Suwanee, they don't last long. So take a look below. If you look down in the description, we've got a link to the listing on our website, so you can get the latest on that. But if you have any other questions about what's going on with this listing or any other listings in the market, our contact information is below. Phone number, email. You can follow us on the socials, all the good stuff. Leave us a comment below. Let us know what you liked about this house. And the other thing is, don't forget to like and subscribe while you're down there, so that way we can keep up with all of our listings, keep up with all of the $1 million listings that we're looking at, take a look at all the new construction going on around the area. We're gonna have a busy 2025. Want you to be a part of it. This is Steve with the Malone Home Team, EXP, living in North Georgia YouTube page. Appreciate your time. Take care, bye.